Marhaba, this is Yaman from community of Babel, and in this video we're going to talk about attached possessive pronouns in Syrian dialect. In Syrian dialect, we use attached possessive pronouns to express possession, like the words my, your, his, her, our, their in English. The only difference is, instead of using a separate word, we use just a suffix as an attached pronoun to express possession. And these suffixes come at the end of the words, unlike English, where these come before the words. Let's start with the first attached pronoun. It's ye. It's the sound E at the end of any name. So, for example, we're going to use the word ism. Ism. Ism means name. Ism. So, if we want to say my name, we say ism and we add the E to it. So it's ismi. 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 My name. My name. The second attached pronoun, we have the letter kaf. It's the equivalent of your in English. While in English, your can either be used for masculine and feminine singular words, also for plural words. In Arabic, we have a separate attached pronouns to each one of them. For example, we use ka with the sound fatha for the letter right before the kaf. For example, ism means name. If we add the kaf to it, it's ismak. Ismak. Note that we add the sound fatha to the last letter, which is meme. So we add fatha to meme. So it's ismak. Your name. The masculine, your name. Now, for the feminine one, it's ismek. It's ismek. So we add the sound kasra to the last letter of the word, which is meme. So it's ismek. Ismek. Next, we have o. O. It's the letter waw. It means his. So, for example, ism with waw, it's ismo. Ismo. His name. Ismo. Next, we have a. The alif, a. It means her. So, for example, we have the word ism with the sound a, so it's isma. Isma, her name. Note that we add the sound fatha to the last letter of the noun. So we add fatha to the meme, so it's isma. Isma, her name. Next, we have na. It's the letter noun with alif as a suffix attached to the end of the noun. It means our. So, for example, we have ism plus na, it's ismna. 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 It means our name. Now, for the plural, your, we have the suffix kun. Kun. It's 3 letters, kaf, waw, and noon. Kun. For example, ism kun. Ism kun. Ism kun. Your name. For sure, it's the plural, your. Next, we have on. On. It means there. It's waw and noon. On. For example, ismon. 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 Their name. Their name. That's all for today's video. Thank you all for watching. We appreciate if you like this video. See you on other videos.